Yo guys, I'm here again after 1 month from the last video, or maybe more than 1 month, but I'm here fresh. I took 1 month off from socials and posting videos and just focus on me and my community. So I'm here to be more active now again. So let's dive in and to this new video. And as you can see here, I took this clean shot today. As you can see, price just melted after that, as you can see here. So let's break down the trade. Okay, this month I'm with a 6 winning streak. I didn't lost yet during this month. Is like so clean month. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, 4 hour. Let me delete all the draws, and let's yeah. So basically, what I need to find on the 4 hour is always the same thing: the support and resistance areas. Okay, as you can see here, we are like so high on Nasdaq, so we don't have like anything on the left, basically. So bullish, bearish, I mark from the body to the wick, and my next zone, for example, support, I had this one, okay, because it's a bearish and a bullish. And next I had this one, and because this is so near to the next support, I just moved to this one, okay. And yeah, basically these are my closest support and resistance zones on the 4 hour. But so this is the candle that I trade, the 6, okay, 6 a.m. and this one too. So my trades are between these two candles. So as you can see here, when this candle is open, I had this on here too, so bullish, bearish, okay. So my 4 hour zones today were basically these ones, clean zones, okay. So yeah, we go to the 5 minutes. This is my entry time frame, and as you can see here, I always wait for the New York Open 9:30 candle to close. I never trade the 9:30, so I need to mark my support and resistance at this time. I had this one, but this is invalid because price break above before the indices open, so I just deleted. And I don't have any other zone because here I don't have like enough space for my target. And yeah, basically so price closed above, so when price is here inside this zone, this is a buy zone, okay. But price just ignored the 4 hour zone and closed below. So what I can use for entry, I have this bearish, bullish, this support, but this is inside this, so I will mark here, okay. Next, my zone will be bearish, bullish, but this is inside this one, bearish, bullish. And the same thing for this one, bearish, bullish, I mark like this. And if I check to the left, this is inside this zone too, so I will drag to here. We have here other zone, bearish, bullish, and then this was basically my zones for today. And yeah, in this open closed below what? This level here, okay. So what I do is put a limit order on the retest, and I use now 30 pips instead the 50 pips. Why? Because 30 pips now is like, yeah, markets are more chill now after all the stress of the beginning of the year with the wars, the new election, the tariffs. So you can expect like huge candles, okay. But yeah, I return again to the 30 pips SL. I started with 25 now is fine too. As you can see, it's not like many different from 30, but I prefer 30. because yeah, it's a rounded number. And yeah, use 30 to catch 30 basically. And my trade was like this: break, retest, and in 3 candles price just melted. Okay, price was reacting from this support here, okay, like 1, 2, 3 times, and next just melted. Okay, I think these 3 rejections was to catch the people on the buy side, because you know many guys are buying from these pivots. Okay, this is like a liquidity swing low, and what guys do is, like, for example, price swept this one, okay, and they enter, like, for example, here with stop loss below, expecting price like reverse. Okay, I don't like to trade reverses, so I prefer to trade the continuation. And if I see price close below the 4-hour and rejected like perfect this 4-hour too, I just go with the trends. And for me, 3 confluences: reject the 4-hour, closed below this 4-hour, and this below the 50 SMA. Okay, break, retest, done. This is my strategy. It's very simple. The winning streak for this month is going crazy. Hope this continue like that, because yeah, finally markets are more clean now. And yeah guys, this is the video just to update my channel, because yeah, I don't post for the last video was 1 month ago. So yeah, it's just to give you guys the feedback about the strategy, like updates. Now I'm doing 30 pips again instead 50 pips, and yeah, the rest is all the same, 1-to-1. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and follow my socials, because now I'm back more active again. Okay, and if you want to be part of my community, you have the link on description of this video or on my socials, and you can join and trade live with us. Okay, because I share every day my ideas, like before and after, and you can follow like that, and yeah, we can win like all together there. So see you guys in the next video.